Hello Minecrafters, Arctic Games here, coming at you with another Minecraft Bedrock Edition tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on structure blocks and how to use them to import structures or export structures between worlds, as well as at the end of the video I will go over how to import and export between a realm or a server. So without further ado, let's jump into it over here. If you guys are unfamiliar with how to get a structure block, what structure blocks are, if you're unfamiliar with saving and loading or the basics of structure blocks, then go ahead and check out this video that I'm going to link in the description, as well as it'll pop up on screen now. That video will go over the structure block basics, and I suggest that you start there. For today's example, we're going to go ahead and use my one player sleep basic system, and we're going to copy that between worlds. The one player sleep system also has a dedicated video which I'll throw into the description as well if you guys were interested in checking that out. If you're interested in actually just downloading the structure of the one player sleep system, I will actually have that inside the Shark Commanders Discord as well. And if you guys are having trouble with structure blocks, definitely feel free to jump into that Shark Commanders Discord, which will be in the description also. So let's go ahead and open up a structure block on save mode, and you can see I have my structure is all prepared. It's all structure voided. Everything is exactly how I would like to do it. And we're going to go ahead and save the structure, and then we're going to go ahead and hit export. If you guys are on PC, you're going to have an import/export button. If you're not on PC, this is not the video for you. This does not work on console or mobile at this time. So we're going to go ahead and hit export, and then you can see it pops up a menu here with where I would like to save a MC structure file. So I'm going to go ahead and just save it inside my downloads, and it's shark_1player_sleep is the way I saved it for reference. So we're going to go ahead and replace the file because I already had one. Now we have successfully saved the structure outside of this world. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of this world here, and we're going to enter into a new world here that I would like to actually import the structure to. So let's go ahead and just check one of my older commands worlds that does not have this structure right here. We'll use this one, and we're going to load into this world here. And we're going to go ahead and grab ourselves a structure block whenever we can. I should have one like right here, would be helpful. And we're just going to put the structure block down somewhere, and we're going to throw it into load mode. So now we're going to go ahead and hit import, and it should take us to that same folder that we imported it here. And you can see I have Shark one player sleep MC structure, and we're going to go ahead and hit import. And now it changes the structure block to the settings that the structure had. So I'm going to go ahead and put my offset to 0 on this so it loads on the ground. And then I'm going to check out my boundary box and see how I like it. Looks like the structure looks correct. So we're going to go ahead and hit load. And now I have a one player sleep system on a brand new world. Now these were two personal offline worlds. If you would like to actually import a structure to a realm or a server, it takes a little bit more work, and the way that we're going to do that is actually by using a Minecraft add-on. So we're going to go ahead and use a behavior pack to do that, which I will go ahead and try to add the behavior pack to the Shark Commanders Discord. I have a blank pack that's going to be used for adding structure files, as well as I'll go ahead and, if possible, I'll put a link to that in the description, but I think chances are you're going to have to join the Shark Commanders Discord to download that structure add-on. So we're going to just save this structure the exact same way we did. We're going to save the structure, and we're going to hit export. And once we have a structure inside of our computer files, then we're pretty much ready to go ahead and we're going to exit out of Minecraft. So we're going to save, and we're going to exit, and now we're in this downloads folder where you can see I have the Shark one player sleep structure. That's what I want to transfer between worlds, and then we're going to go ahead and download that Shark Structures behavior pack, the add-on there, from the Shark Commanders Discord. And once you've downloaded that, you can see it has a little Minecraft icon. You're going to double click that, and it should open Minecraft back up for you automatically. It's going to load into that main menu on Minecraft for us, and then it's actually going to import a add-on for us. and you can see we've successfully imported shark structures. Now we're going to have to jump back into the file folders, and we're going to have to actually find where that shark structures add-on landed. So the shark structures add-on landed in the .com.MOJANG folder. If you guys are familiar with the .com.MOJANG folder, then you can skip this step here, but we're going to need to actually locate the .com.MOJANG folder, and one way you can do that is we're going to go ahead and copy paste this, and I'll put this in the description as well. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to delete the username, and you're going to put your name right there. So your name here, your computer username, and not your gamer tag. This is your username on your desktop. And then you're going to go ahead and paste that in there, and it should bring us to this folder, and you're going to want to go ahead and pin this folder to the sidebar. Now, one thing I forgot to mention there is you're actually going to go ahead and need to go into your folder options. So we're going to click those three dots here on the top. We're going to click options. We're going to go over to view, and then we're going to find this icon here, hidden files and folders. We're going to unclick don't show, and we're going to click show, and you're going to hit apply. Okay, and that will let you see hidden folders like this one here. And then you've got your .com.MOJANG folder, and you've got the copy paste option for us here. If you guys are unable to do that copy paste option, real quick, we'll go ahead and manually try to find that folder there. So we're going to jump into our operating system on our C drive. We're going to go into the users folder. We're going to open up our user, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down to that hidden folder there, AppData. We're going to open up AppData, and then we're going to open up local, and then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to look for packages. We're going to open up packages, and then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to look for Microsoft.Minecraft. So Microsoft.Minecraft, and there's some jumbo after that. That's the one that we want. So we're going to open that up, and then we're going to open up AppData. Or actually, we're going to open up LocalState, my mistake. We're going to open up Microsoft.Minecraft into LocalState, and then we're going to go into Games, and then we're going to go COM.MOJANG folder, and that's the folder that we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and right-click on that, and we're going to hit Pin to Quick Access. Now we have the .com.MOJANG folder easily accessible for us. Actually removed it from mine, but I'm going to put it back there. So now we're going to go .com.MOJANG. We finally found the folder. Now that shark structures file that we downloaded a minute ago there should be located inside the behavior packs folder. So we're going to open that up, and I got shark struct, which is a shortened version of shark structures. And then if you open that up, finally, we've located the structures folder. So we have an empty structures folder here. We're going to open that up, and we're going to go ahead and find ourselves that downloaded structure file that we had there. So now I have the one player sleep MC structure file, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste it inside of our structure folder inside of the shark structures add-on. Now, the Shark Structures add-on is inside the finished behavior packs, so you guys need to import all the structures. So that Shark one player sleep was exactly like I wanted. That's 100% correct. And any other structures that I wanted to import all need to be imported at the same time. You can't edit them. You can't add extra structures or any of that kind of stuff. You're going to need to actually edit the behavior pack if you do that, and that gets a little bit complicated in a manifest. So I suggest you guys go ahead and just get everything 100% in this folder, all the structures that you want to import to that world all at once, and you get that finished. And then we're going to go ahead and jump back into Minecraft. So we're going to jump back into Minecraft, and I would like to go ahead and import this random world here, my copy of a commands world, and we're going to import that up to a realm. But we can't just put it on the realm. We have to actually first put the add-on onto the world before we put the world onto the realm. So the way that we do that is we're going to go into the world settings, and then we're going to go over here to behavior packs, and then you have two sections here. One has the packs that are already on the world, and one's called my packs. That would be the packs that are actually downloaded inside of your Minecraft. So then you can see we have this little picture of a shark here. It's called Shark Structures, and it says subscribe to Arctic Shark. That is the add-on that we just downloaded and that we imported our structure into. So we're going to want to activate that on our world. So we're going to hit activate, and it's going to ask you about achievements, and then you're going to hit activate, and you're going to go over to where it says active, and it should now show the Shark Structures pack in here. And if you wanted to remove it, it says deactivate there. But now that we have that successfully imported to the world, we're going to go ahead and hit play. We're going to play this world just normal on an offline world for a second just to make sure that it worked. So now we're jumping into this world here, and we're going to need to grab ourselves a structure block. So I have one right here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab a new structure block, a blank one that is, and we're going to go put it into load mode. And then now we're going to go ahead and type in the exact name of that structure. So mine is called all lowercase shark underscore 1p sleep. And then it should find a new shape for your boundary box, and you'll know that it's correct. And then I'm going to put my offset to 0 so it lands how I like it. This looks good to me. And then we're going to go ahead and hit load. So now we've successfully taken a structure between worlds, and it's already loaded in my world already. I feel like this is the best way to do it, is to actually test the structure beforehand, and then it's totally up to you. If you would like to, you can delete the add-on as long as you already have the structure saved in the world, or you can keep the shark structures add-on on the world and you can import it into a realm. So you really have two options there, but either way we're going to need to exit out of here and we're going to save this world. So if we wanted to just remove the add-on from the world, we would go back into settings, and then we would go down to the behavior packs. We'd hit active, we'd click shark structures, and then we would click deactivate, and that would be totally fine because we've already put one player sleep on there, so we're not worried about it. Now, if you'd like to take the add-on with us, you certainly can as well. Either way, this would be how you would also put a normal add-on in the world. So if we want to put my normal behavior pack on there, we would apply it, and then it would already be all good on this world here. And then at that point, we would go ahead and now we want to add this to the realm. So once we have all of our add-on stuff is working and we've already checked it on that solo world, we're going to click play on realm, and then we're going to add it to our particular realm. If you already have a realm paid for, your realm should pop up here and it would have options for you. I'm using one of my alternate accounts, so it's not going to let us do that, but this is the normal process of uploading a world to a realm now. As long as you already have the structure or you already have the add-on on your world, then you are all set to go ahead and import it, and you should be in business for your realm or your server. If you're on a server, then you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to take the behavior pack and you're going to put it in your behavior pack folder on your server. If you guys would like to know how to do that, go ahead and jump in the Shark Commanders Discord and you can request me to help you, or I could go ahead and make a dedicated video on that one day as well if enough people request it. If you guys found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe over here at Arctic Shark Games on YouTube, as well as jump in that Shark Commanders Discord if you're having trouble with any of this kind of stuff. And thank you guys very much for watching, and keep on commanding, keep on structure blocking.